Hey everyone, my name's Tom Robinson, and I just want to send a quick video testimonial about Brent Bowers and his land investing program through Wholesaling Inc. Brent has got a heart of gold, and I tell you what, he is out there to make sure that we get it done. I hopped on a call with him before I actually joined his coaching program, and I'll never forget this. He told me, as your coach, if I've got to fly to where you're at in order to get the deal done, we're going to get the deal done. Now, obviously, his coaching was good enough, and we got some deals together without him having to do that. The biggest thing that I want to stress is his positive attitude. And I actually had a deal of land prior to joining his course, and Brent actually, I thought it was a dead deal. Totally thought it was dead. I thought I lost all my money in this thing, and he walked me through it, and I get a monthly check now from that, and I'm gonna come out in the black when I thought I was gonna lose all my investment on that. So that was something I brought previous, but since then I bought land and from Brent's coaching, and it's great. So anyways, if you are looking into doing land investing, highly recommend going with Brent. I wouldn't even think twice about it. He has a heart of gold. We have calls every week. He's on the call to listen to the deals and coach us, and so anyways, hopefully that helps if you're on the fence or even just considering it. I've recommended him to my friends and highly recommend him to anybody who's considering doing land. Hope that helps.